Hey guys, welcome to Jameson Woodworks. My name is Gene. This is
his first mate, Abby.
Yeah, Abby and I. This is my daughter. She's 7 years old. And at Jameson Woodworks, we make a lot of wooden craft kits and toys. By far, our biggest sellers are our wooden knife kits. And today, Abby's going to show you how to put together our Canoe knife kit. The Canoe is made of cherry and maple in this packaging. This one is 6 pieces of wood, three pins hold it all together, and complete instructions. And I'm not sure when you're going to watch this, but we're currently in the midst of a global pandemic with the coronavirus. It's got everything shut down, and that has kind of put a halt on the wooden knife retail sales. So we are getting some online sales for parents wanting to have some craft time with their kids, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to spend a little time getting these knives together and show your kids a little bit of a learning toy and how to make something and put it together and make it pretty, and then they can decorate it however they want. But it's a good kit, and it goes together really simply, and no glue is required. So, Abby, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to pause this and set it up for her to show you.
Hey guys, we're back, and we're ready to make the JJ's knife kit. So we're going ages 7 and up. So we got the instructions here. We got a little baggie with 3 pins in it. We got the springs, 2 springs.
Yeah.
We got the knife parts, and we got the
Blades. Those are blades. Yeah.
The blades over here. We got the sides.
Yeah.
And first, you are going to
Let's move this tin out of the way.
You're going to unbag the little.
Replacement pins are available on the website. I see it right here. There we go. It happens.
Happens a lot. Now we have all the parts laid out, and first we are going to take the side that doesn't have the logo on it, this side, turn it this way, and face it down, and put the 3 pins in it, in the holes. These go in very easily if you don't just push them very hard.
Okay, so you have those. We have the springs that will go on next, but we're going to start. I have a piece of wax.
You can use a crayon, a small birthday candle,
Or one of your mother's
candles.
smelly candles will work. But you want to rub the wax on the springs. It helps the wood, the blades rotate open and close.
So
we'll put some wax on there.
So one part can
This
go
takes
up
away some of the
and go
friction.
up.
All right, Abby, go ahead and put the spring on.
This one. And you may need a grown-up's help.
Yeah, she just needs to line up the holes of that spring and slide them down on those 2 pins, and I can help her get it together. Hold on, Abby. It's easier if you just use your table. Okay, let's put this pin back in. Now we want to take the small blade. Let me hold on a second. The blade has a thumb notch or a nail notch on it, and we want that to go down on this in this step.
Like this?
Yep, put it over there. And once she gets it on the pin, I'm going to have to help her spring the spring back a little so that we can slide the blade down in place. I'll show you. So this spring is in tension now, and it's holding all the pins in, but I had to help push this spring down here so that she could slide this blade in place. And now everything is ready for the next spring. it goes in the opposite direction. Flip it over. No? Like that. Okay, you need some help?
Yes, this is very difficult.
It's not very difficult. Okay, we got this blade, and what happens is because that first spring has some tension in it, it's kind of spread the pins or kind of push them to the side a little bit. So the holes, you might have to do a little pushing one way or the other to get those pins in those two holes, but it's not difficult. She's going to take the large blade with the thumb notch up, facing up, and slide it down on that pin, and just like before, I'll help her slide it past that spring. Okay? Much easier than the first one because everything is being pushed. Okay, she's taking the top cover, the one with the J, face up, and we're going to put it, just pick any two pins, the center and the right or the center and the left, and then I'll help you get the third one in. Okay, got it? You ready for me to squish it?
Well, there's not a pin in place.
Yeah, you do. You have that one and that one in place. You have the center and that one in place. So I'm going to show the camera here. Because of the tension there, that pin we need to slide the cover up so that it will align with this pin. And that's going to hold everything together. All the pins are seated in their holes. Just going to squeeze it together. And let Abby close the small blade up. Takes a couple of opening and closing cycles to get it limbered up. So let's see what we have here. We have a 2-blade canoe. It's got a nice spring action. And now Abby has a pocket knife that she can carry, she can decorate it, she can color it, she can paint it, whatever she wants to do.
And make sure you can get more, you can see more knives if you visit us at JamesonWoodworks.com. I hope.
So Abby likes to watch YouTube videos, so she's going to put this on her channel too, and I'm going to use it to show, to try to generate some interest as well. In these times of difficulty, when we are, as parents, are struggling to fill the days with our kids, it's always nice to have a good craft project to do, and I hope you guys stay healthy. Thanks.
Toodaloo! So make sure to like, subscribe, and push the notification so you know when I post more videos. Bye!